guys, welcome back to my channel, Cherie's Vlog. So for today's video, we will show you how to make our own burgers. So what you need is a burger bun, onion, mushroom, butter, avocado, pickles, and a cheddar cheese. Later on, I'm gonna show you guys the meat which my husband will prepare. So let's start. So we do have a burger bun here. So we like to put our burger a butter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread the butter here, the burger bun. So if you notice, we don't have tomato and lettuce. We like tomato and lettuce, but since we don't have today, so we're just gonna make it through. But we do have a mushroom though. We like mushroom in our burgers, so that would work good. This is the best burger I've ever had in my life. It's up to you guys how you prepare your burgers, but this is how we do it, and this is really good. So later on, we will put this burger bun in the grill. Okay. So we'll just cook the mushroom first and put oil. That. Then salt, then pepper, so now my husband is forming the burger. That's how he do it, in his hand. Right here.
And because you like yours well done, I make it a little bit flatter than mine because I like mine medium rare. So I make yours a little bit flatter.
Good.
And then mine, I like it like that.
Little bit oil, that way it does not stick into the grill. So this is my husband's burger. So you just put it both sides, just like that, what he's doing. Okay, next is putting a garlic salt, black pepper, Johnny seasoning salt, then black pepper again, just a little bit, not too much. So you just clean it before you put the burger, just like that. So you put the burger. Oh my god, it's so windy here. Just like that. How many minutes you leave in there, dear? You leave the burger?
Oh, I'll leave it on there about 3 minutes.
About 3 minutes, okay.
About 3 minutes, and then I'll turn it. I put high heat to start with to get a good singe on it.
Okay, good. So this is the burger bun. So my husband, we're gonna put that in the grill together with the cheese. That way it melts. because we don't like to eat without cooking the cheese really. So just open the grill and then he's gonna flip it. Perfect. So good. And then he's gonna put a barbecue sauce. This is really good, guys. The best burger I've ever eaten in my life.
That's because it's made from elk, not
It's
beef.
an elk burger, so it's not really a beef burger, it's elk. But once you eat this, oh my god, it's really good. So you're just gonna do it like that. And then how many minutes you leave it there?
No, another 3 or 4 minutes. And
Okay.
then I'll flip it over and I'll put barbecue sauce on the other side.
Good.
And leave it a couple more minutes, and then I'll put on the cheese and let it melt.
And then you just put
And then I toast the buns
yeah.
for 30 seconds or so.
It's gonna drain the juice.
That's because you don't like
That's what I like.
I like the juice, so I don't mess with mine.
Then you put another sauce on the other side. And then spread it. Using the brush. It's really good, guys. Cover it again. Flip it again. Put the cheese on top. Oh my god, look at that. It's so good. Oh my goodness.
Now mine came off. Yours might. Yeah, yours is probably done.
So after that, we're just gonna toast the burger bun. That's what we like. It's a little bit toasted. So I just put mayonnaise on my burger bun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna transfer it here together with my burger. Ooh, it's really good, guys. So good. Then I'll put avocado, pickles, and then onion. We fry our onion. We like it